Not sure which access points you're going to use universal mount. Not sure what size access points you're going to use universal. Not sure which brand you're going to use universal. Universal can also act as a centralized location to house other things aside access points. That's Wi-Fi friendly materials, a finished gypsum cover plate that allows air and breathability for the product, and also fully paintable. And depth accommodates different depths of access points. And then the universal access point mount also has two openings that will allow both for low voltage or high voltage connections directly in the box, giving you power to use for powered access points or any device that might require power that you need to house, such as a repeater for anything besides Wi-Fi.